Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the most beloved Oreo cheesecake ever. Picture a crunchy Oreo crust filled with rich cream cheese and cookie chunks. This dessert is perfect for any celebration or simply as a well-deserved treat. Whether you're an experienced baker or a novice, we'll guide you through each step. So, tie on your apron and preheat your oven. Your Oreo cheesecake journey starts now. Every great recipe starts with the right ingredients, so let's gather our all-star lineup for this Oreo cheesecake. For the crust, we'll use 24 Oreo cookies and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. For the filling, use 4 packages, 8 ounces each, of softened full-fat cream cheese, 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 4 large eggs at room temperature. For tang and texture, add 1 cup of sour cream or full-fat plain yogurt. For the filling, use 15 more Oreo cookies, chopped into chunky pieces. These create those delicious pockets of cookies and cream in every bite. For the toppings, we'll use 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream and 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips for ganache, or 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for whipped cream. Don't forget a few extra Oreos for decorating the top. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and stress-free. This is your baking toolkit, mise en place. With our ingredients prepped, we're ready to bake. Let's move on to building our delicious crust. Get your tools and ingredients set. Next up, the Oreo crust. Let's get baking. Join us on an epic adventure in the Great Oreo Crust Crusade. Prepare for a delicious journey filled with sweet surprises and crunchy twists. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grab a 9-inch springform pan. Lightly grease the pan to prevent sticking. Crush 24 Oreos into fine crumbs. Use a food processor or a zip-top bag and rolling pin. Mix the crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter until they look like wet sand. Pour the mixture into your pan and press firmly into an even layer, going slightly up the sides if you like. Bake the crust for 10 minutes to set it and make it extra crispy. Let it cool completely on a wire rack. The crust is the foundation of our cheesecake, crunchy, chocolatey, and irresistible. There is no need to remove the Oreo filling. It helps bind the crust and adds flavor. This step is quick, easy, and prepares you for cheesecake success. Once cooled, your crust is ready for the creamy filling. Take a moment to admire your work. This is where the magic begins. Now that we've perfected the crust, it's time to dive into the deliciousness ahead. Get ready to whip up a truly creamy dream team filling. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Get ready for the creamy dream team. It's about to get exhilarating. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for a smooth, lump-free filling. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese until completely smooth. Gradually add 1 1/4 cups of sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Mix in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add 4 eggs, 1 at a time, mixing on low until combined. Don't overmix. Gently fold in 1 cup of sour cream by hand for a tangy, velvety texture. The batter should be glossy, thick, and divine. This is the heart of your cheesecake, rich, creamy, and perfectly balanced. Take a moment to appreciate your smooth, dreamy batter. The filling is ready for the next step. Now let's get to the exciting part. It's time to fold in those scrumptious Oreo chunks. Let's make this cheesecake truly unforgettable with the ultimate Oreo fold-in. Introducing the Ultimate Oreo Fold-In, a decadent delight that will take your taste buds on an unforgettable adventure. Chop 15 Oreos into chunky pieces. Aim for a mix of sizes for the best texture. Gently fold the Oreo chunks into your cheesecake batter with a spatula. Don't overmix, just a few folds to distribute the cookies evenly. The batter should look like a cookies and cream masterpiece. Pour the filling over your cooled crust and spread it evenly. Tap the pan gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. This step ensures every slice is packed with Oreo goodness. Your cheesecake is now assembled and ready for the oven. Take a deep breath. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Now, it's time to bake. Let's return this masterpiece to the oven and embark on our exciting baking adventure. Onward to the delicious saga that awaits. Get ready for an exhilarating journey because it's time for the baking saga. For a flawless cheesecake, use a water bath. Wrap your springform pan in foil and place it in a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, halfway up the sides of your cheesecake pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 55-65 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should still wobble slightly. Don't overbake. Trust the wobble. The water bath ensures a creamy texture and prevents cracks. Once baked, turn off the oven and crack the door open. Let the cheesecake cool in the oven for an hour. This gentle cooling helps prevent cracks and sets the texture. Your cheesecake has survived the oven. Now it's time to chill. Let's move on to the chill-out session. Almost there. We are all set for the chill-out session and couldn't be more excited. After cooling in the oven for an hour, remove the cheesecake from the water bath and foil. Place it on a wire rack and let it cool to room temperature. This slow cooling prevents cracks and ensures a perfect texture. Once at room temp, cover loosely with plastic wrap. Don't let it touch the surface. For best results, chill in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight. This long chill makes the cheesecake dense, creamy, and flavorful. Patience pays off. Don't rush this step. The cheesecake will pull away from the pan as it cools, making it easy to release. The moment we've all been waiting for is just around the corner. Your masterpiece is on the verge of perfection. It's time to add those delicious toppings and prepare for the breathtaking reveal. Get excited to decorate and celebrate. We're so close to crossing the finish line. Let's make this cheesecake dazzle and shine. Onward to the grand finale. Get ready for the spectacular grand finale. Run a thin knife around the edge of the cheesecake to release it from the pan. Then unlatch the springform. For a classic finish, make a simple chocolate ganache. Heat 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Pour over 4 oz of chocolate chips. Let sit and whisk until smooth. Pour ganache over the chilled cheesecake, letting it drip down the sides. Or whip 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. Pipe or spread whipped cream on top for a light, airy touch. Decorate with whole or chopped Oreos. Get creative. This is your moment to shine. Make it your own. Stand back and admire your work. You've baked the ultimate Oreo cheesecake. Cut it into delicious pieces and savor your victory. Each mouth-watering bite is a reason to celebrate. Don't keep it all to yourself. Share the joy with friends and family and watch their faces light up in astonishment. You've truly earned this delectable treat. Congratulations on bringing your masterpiece to life. It's a celebration of your hard work and creativity. Enjoy every bite. Congratulations, you did it. Savor your beautiful Oreo cheesecake and share it with loved ones. Capture the moment. Snap a photo and tag us. We can't wait to hear all about your experience. Drop a comment below and let us know how it turned out, or share your unique twists on our recipes. Your feedback fuels our vibrant baking community, and we absolutely love seeing your amazing creations. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Remember, baking is about fun, creativity, and sharing joy. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep baking boldly. Every bake is a step forward. Don't be afraid to try new things. Thank you for watching and joining us in the kitchen today. We're so excited to whip up something delicious with you again soon. Get ready for our next baking adventure. Can't wait to see you there. Until next time, happy baking.